Hey, let's go. All right, how's it going, guys? We're on day 7 of the 12 buckets of Christmas. Today we have Kett, Helly Hansen, and Steel Blue. And to start off our bucket, you actually get a pair Steel Blue, any one that we have in stock, included in the bucket win. So definitely keep an eye out for that.
And you can choose between male or female fit, flipped by yours truly. First, we got this cool jacket.
Helly Hansen, what is it, the shell jacket?
Yeah, the Alta shell jacket.
This jacket as well. Also Helly Hansen.
Got some gloves.
Another pair as well. These ones are lift. Some XLs.
Help you lift stuff.
Yes, sir.
Simpson strong tie for a strong guy.
Thanks, Drew. Thanks.
And an Ohio Power Tool one, because you got to represent.
Oh, looks like we got some more merch. Nice Gear Wrench shirt. You shouldn't have to sell a kidney to afford a new set of tools. Amen, brother.
Golf balls.
Ooh.
Callaway brand. Ball is life.
Ball is life, bruh. Ball is life, bruh.
The ball is life, bruh.
You got the wrong, okay.
Got this super niche, house-looking Wheeler Rex jar opener. Easy gripper.
I don't need it. I don't need it.
We don't use that here. We don't need it, really.
Another t-shirt. World of Concrete.
Yeah, check that out.
That's where I
Still
live.
with the mohawk. Going a little bit more upscale. You need a collared shirt for something. Also, Simpson strong tie to match the hat.
A cozy. There's another one around here somewhere. I think we dropped it.
It's probably around here.
That's okay. It looks like this.
You want to just dump it out?
Yeah, open your hands.
Oh, got a nice OPT wristband, and of course some stickers. You know, got to get the stickers in the buckets this year. Good old carrying case to put all this nice stuff in.
Look how much stuff you could fit in here, dude.
Drew, I think it's insulated. I think it's actually meant for 4 drinks, but you can put whatever you want in this bag. It's got a nice old walking thing too. If you go to wheel it somewhere, makes it super nice and easy to use.
We won't judge you.
Oh yeah.
What? Oh yeah!
Oh my God, we almost forgot the actually coolest thing in this bucket. Dun dun. All right, we got the Kett 18 gauge metal electric shear. Honestly, looks super cool for all your shearing needs. That also comes with the bucket as well. So we got a bunch of deals going on that are rotating on a daily basis for the 12 buckets of Christmas. Definitely check out more of our deals down below and keep an eye out for day 8 because we got a lot of exciting stuff coming. So thank you so much for joining us.
Take care.
Come on, join the show. Great tools, cool gear, and apparel just for you. Into free to win it. Dreams are coming true.